in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Google Fonts to create your site awesome. So let's start. So friends, friends, this is my website and I have to change fonts in this website. So you will see that how will I change the fonts in this website. So first of all, go to the browser and write here Google Fonts. Okay, click on here fonts.google.com. You will see here so many types of fonts available. So friends, we have to choose the font here. You can also search here, but if you don't know which font is better, then you can find it here. So for the H1 I have to choose one. So this is good for H1. You can say this font is available here. If you want to use this font, then you have to click on select this style. Click on plus. Then in the sidebar you can see here link available, and also below this font link. It means this is CSS. So first of all, copy this link, controls, go to the editor and in the index.html, in the heads you have to paste here. So I have pasted here link, and now go to the font family, copy it here copy from here. Now go to the style.css. If you want to, like here is written cooking, so this is H1. So I want to change the font style of H1, so I will write here H1, correct, and paste here font family, control it, and I will refresh it. So you can see font has been changed. The science of gastronomy, online printing classes, course structure. So you can see everywhere there was a H1, so the font has been changed. Like this, you can easily change the H2. For that, we have to find another one. So for the H2, I will find this one. Now you can find here so many types of fonts available here. If you want to use thinner, then you can choose them, and if you want bolder than this, so you can choose it here. So I want this one, so I will click here. Now you can see link here, right? Then if I read here fonts.google.ease.com, this I have already pasted in previous font, so I will not copy that, but you can copy that also. It will never affect on your website, but controls and paste it in the head. Yes, control C. Now find their style.css. Okay, control C. I want to change the H2, so I will write here H2 value bracket and I will paste here. Okay, control C. And this is learn French cooking the easy way with this online culinary. So friends, this is H2. Then I will change here and refresh it. then you can see the difference. So now this is also changed. So friends, you can easily do that all. So now for the paragraph, I will find here. For the paragraph, I use this. Click on it. Okay, I want this one, so I click on paste. I will link it here. Okay, this is copy, and I will paste it in that section. Okay, Control is here, and in the style CSS, I will change this font family and controls pop. And if I want to change the paragraph, then I will write it, really write it and paste here. Control is here. Go to the website. So there you will see this is paragraph. So when I will refresh it, so you can see here paragraph has been changed. So with this trick you can easily use any font, any Google font in your website very easily. So friends, if you are feeling any difficulty using this, you can comment me, and if you want something new and want to learn something more, then you can comment me. I will surely make some video on that. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.